with the other amino acid, and let's talk today about the isoleucine. So what its nickname is ILE, and we can keep it in our mind like I, it's the first letter, and LE if the first letter of the leucine. So ILE is the nickname of isoleucine, and its initial it's I. So there is no trick here. So the initial is I and the nickname is ILE for the isoleucine. So for this isoleucine, is the backbone of any amino acid. Is the carboxylic group, this is the central carbon, and this is the amino carbon. They present in every amino acid. But what is so special about the isoleucine is a group. So it contains another carbon which is attached to the 2 methyl group, and then 1 methyl group is attached to the another carbon. So if there is like amino acid and we have also C carbon and it attached to the 2 methyl group, then we called it valine. But when there is one carbon is attached to the another carbon of this methyl group, then it calls isoleucine. If we have this central group and then attach it to the carbon and then attach it to the another carbon which is attached to the 2 methyl group, so we call them leucine. So what is special about the isoleucine? It's like contains valine group, and one of these methyl group contains another methyl group, like to keep it in the mind. So this is the isoleucine. The first thing is hydrophobic because it's non-polar, because it contains more carbon and more hydrogen. So it's a hydrophobic amino acid, and it's one of the branched amino acid. We talked before that the branched amino acid we contains it's a valine, because we said that is one carbon in attached to the 2 methyl group, it's called valine. Leucine the same, but there is another carbon here. And isoleucine, it's like valine and one of the methyl group is attached to another methyl group. What is so special about the branched amino acid valine, leucine and isoleucine, they have the same breakdown. So if there is a mutation in the hydroxylase enzyme, and we mentioned it before, that is lead to the something is called myeloproliferative disease. It's unflexible because it's like more close to the central group, make it unflexible. Isoleucine and leucine have the same number of the carbons, but they differ in the direction, so we call them isomers. It's also non-polar amino acid because there is no charge. And what is so special about it is both ketogenic and glucogenic. How we can know that is form acetyl-coenzyme A, and the acetyl-coenzyme A that lead to the formation of ketone bodies, which they are known as acetoacetate acetone on beta hydroxybutyrate. So it's ketogenic. And also glucogenic, that is lead to formation of succinyl-coenzyme A, that is lead to the formation of the glucose, and it lead to the energy. And what is so special also about the isoleucine, it's essential amino acid. That's mean we have our body needs it, so we have to take it in our diet. So that is the points that we have to keep it in mind when we study something is known as the isoleucine. So the nickname is ILE, the initial is I, and we remember it's like valine and one of the methyl group is attached to the another methyl group. It's hydrophobic, branched amino acid, unflexible and non-polar, both ketogenic and glucogenic, and essential amino acid. So that all about something is called isoleucine. Thank you.